Alright, test. See how fast it's turning on. Replaced the hard drive from this one. This is a 500 gigabyte. This is an SSD 1000 gigabyte. And replace the battery. This is the boot up time. It's a lot faster than the original one. And let's try settings. You can tell it's a lot different. We upgraded the Windows version from Windows Home to Windows 10 Pro. Yeah, Windows 10 Pro. And let's see the hard drive space. Yep. And before it didn't stay on with just the battery alone. So there you go. Now it stays on with the battery alone. And it charges. It's at 66 right now. That's the charger in. Charging. And let's try a shutdown. And shut down. Shutdown time should be a lot faster too. And it's off right there.